Hello friends, this is Upen and welcoming you in the biggest metaverse IDO sale of 2021. Friends, as you all know, Meta VPAD sale is going to be held in 4 days and as I have promised, whatever information they are going to share, I'm going to share with you guys on time. So here I'm going to share the latest information of Meta VPAD on time. As you can see, I have tweeted their link of Medium in which they have declared all the information about IDEO, what are they are going to, at what time they are going to be held. So let's open the link from my tweet and let's see what they have shared. So friends, about 1 hour ago, they have shared on Medium all the information of IDEO. Let's see what they have shared. So friends, each and every information on this article is very important. You need to listen it carefully because you are going to know which pad is going to be best for you in this video. Before that, I want to request you, if you didn't like the video or if you didn't subscribe the channel, so please like it now and subscribe the channel now because I'm going to share the video the information on time. So if you don't want to miss out any information, so you need to just subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's friend start. The key time and date for Meta VPAD launch is Friday, December 10. So that's very important. And before that, staking eligibility deadline. So what is the staking eligibility deadline is going to be 4 a.m. UTC. You need to convert according to your country. Like I'm from India, so I'm going to add 5.5 hours in it. So in India, it's going to be staking deadline is going to be end at 10:30 a.m. You can convert it according to your timeline. Allocation round is going to start at 9 a.m. and first come first serve is different for different pads. So these information are important but not now. Let's move to the next information. DEX listing. What is the time of DEX listing? So after first come first sale, they are going to launch on PancakeSwap at 3 p.m. UTC, WagyuSwap at 3:30 p.m. and Uniswap. So basically, they are focusing on three swaps of three chains. Like PancakeSwap works on BTC mainly, WagyuSwap on Velas chain, and Uniswap on Ethereum. Now they have shared IDO checklist. So if you click on the link, you can go and watch the checklist of BSC pad. Whatever you need to get the IDO on BSC pad, on ETH pad, on KCC pad, and Tron pad. You can check it from here. Like every information you need to know about the requirement of these pads. So these links are very important. We are going to check them after completely watching the article. So this is important, friends. The KYC requirement at least 36 hours before the allocation round opens. So as we have seen that the KYC for BSC pad, you can do it for, before 3 hours is not going to work here. You need to do KYC before 36 hours. So and as you know, let me open the KYC guide of BSC pad. BSC pad says you need to have at least 1000 BSC pad token for KYC. So before, so now you cannot do like BSC pad requires staking of. Now you have to own BSC pad token before 36 hours because KYC requirement is before 36 hours. So this is the rule. And you can also check for ETHPAD. Let's check for ETHPAD. KYC of ETHPAD. So if you leave it last minute before IDO start time, you might miss out the IDO itself. So if your KYC is already approved on BSC pad, it will be synced automatically with ETHPAD. So you didn't need to do KYC for ETHPad in separate. If you have KYC on BSC pad, your KYC, your the KYC is going to work fine there. So this was for ETHPad. So you can check out all the KYC rule for different pads here. We are going to check this in a minute. Let's see the more information, the most important information. The following tier must complete the additional task in the whitelisting to be eligible. So they are going to share the eligibility criteria. If any if any launch pad is going to require different whitelisting criteria like BSC pad. If you are bronze and silver tier, if you have bronze and silver tier, you need to fill the whitelisting criteria. And friends, if you they in each pad you are getting opportunity of lottery round open to anyone who complete task, no token required. This is the important information. On each pad, you don't need to or you don't require any tokens of each pad, or you don't need to stake any token of each pad for public whitelisting. What you need to do? You need to complete their tasks. So if you don't want to and you don't have so much money for these pads, you can go and whitelist and take part in this. This is a type of lottery round, but you don't require to stake any amount of money or any amount of ETHPad token. So this is for you if you don't have money. So that's what I said ki there are some very important information in this article. And additionally, in bronze tier, you also need to complete whitelisting criteria. So go and check out the whitelisting criteria if you are going to participate on each pad. In KCC pad, if you are Q starter tier or Q bull tier, then you need to complete whitelisting criteria. And the whitelisting criteria, friends, you need to retweet their tweets and you need to follow their social media handles. These are the whitelisting criteria. You can check it from their links. And friends, Tronpad is also giving you public whitelisting lotteries open to anyone who complete task, no token required. So this is the very important information. You need to also fill this form also. Go on Tronlink and fill this form also. These are for free. So you should fill the form. I'm going to fill the form and I'm going to upload the video. You can watch my video and fill the form from there. Now Ether tier, if you are in Earth tier, then you also have to complete the whitelisting criteria. Now AdaPad, lottery round, copper tier and bronze tier, in all these you need to have some tokens and they have their criteria. So I have made videos on that. You can go and check out and I'm going also make some videos in future. You can check out them also. So what I wanted to share with you guys, there are two opportunities in which you don't require any token. You just can go for with luck. Just fill their form on Tronpad, on ETHPad. Both are opening public whitelisting lotteries. You need to take part in it because you don't require any coin here. Game starter tier only. For starter, you need to fill the whitelisting criteria. To sign up, user can require to register via the whitelisting form. There is a whitelisting form. You can fill this form by putting their address. So let me open this form again. I have shown this form in the previous videos, but I'm going to show you this form again. Just wait a minute. So this is the form. I hope you have watched this several times. You need to fill out these address. So what address do you fill here? The address of the wallet which got KYC, and the wallet you are going to fill for KYC. Put the wallet here. Like you have a wallet of BSC coin. The wallet of BSC coin is Trust Wallet. So put the Trust Wallet address here, and this is the same wallet you are going to stake BSC pad tokens. For ADA pad, and like you have ERE wallet and different wallets of ADA coin. So put the address here. the wallet you are going to use for the staking or KYC, put the address here. So this is a KYC form you need to fill. Complete the criteria as soon as possible, friends, because only 3 days are left, and you know that you need to complete 36 hours before. This is the rule. So this is the important information. So friends, all the information I have shared was very important, and now I'm going to make a separate video on KYC guide of all the launch pads and checklist checklist requirement of all the launchpad. I'm going to make a separate video on it. I'm going to upload after this video. So make sure you have subscribed my channel and hit the bell icon, because you don't need to left off any video if you want to take part in this idea, because I think, friend, this idea can go 1000x. This idea is very hyped. Everyone want to take part in it. And if you want to check this link, check this article, you can go my Twitter handle, and I have shared the link here. You can watch it from him. Thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.